virtual reality experience works from the person's perspective who's using it, is that they put on a headset and they put controllers in the hands, and those controllers then kind of appear like almost robotic hands, and when you're part of that experience you literally feel as if you're in that scenario that's in front of you. Dementia is quite difficult, I think, in words to describe. I think people who've lived with dementia can describe their experiences, and that's quite effective, I think. But just reading about dementia can be quite difficult to kind of put into context, or to have people's perspective in terms of living with the disease. I think the virtual reality experience takes people one step further in terms of going as close as they possibly can to the experience of somebody with dementia.